witness ug mo cheer sa atong third game which to be played by Barangay Bomba versus Barangay Kayagan. Ug mga kasad, so na ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sport Channel, ug sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sport Channel Official. Para kung dili ka mo makatanaw personally, pwede ka mo nga mo tanaw lang sa atong live stream. So mga kasad, so katong mga gusto pod mo tanaw personally, na open kayo diri ang atong second ang atong City Gym para makatanaw ka mo ug maka-cheer. So mga kasad, so stay tuned lang gid mo og relax and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchand Carpentero. Padayon, pag-asenso, pagadian.
Check, sound check kana. Nanay tingog. Nanay tingog. Sound check, sound check. Taas kamot be kung nae. Ah, lagay. Yes, coach. Double check na ko, coach.
Maka-chat ka, Sir God. I-chat lang ha.
Live mga ka-Ascenso here in Ascenso Covered Court is our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Game 3 of our Rural Division game. It's Barangay Bomba versus Barangay Kagawasan. Mayong hapon kaninyo tanan. This is your commentator, Gab. Good afternoon sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang Mindanao and all over the world. Thank you very much for watching our live streaming live via Ascenso Sports Channel. Good afternoon. Tapikan ang bola, Rodriguez wins that rebound.
Number 40, Magsayo, offensive foul.
And Magsayo committing an offensive foul.
First foul.
Wala daw, coach. Magsayo para kay Liagono. And Liagono takes the first blood for Barangay Kahayagan. Ayan o, magandang hapon. Good afternoon to our 24 live viewers via Ascenso Sports Channel. Magsayo. Liagono is blocked by Padilla in the face. Now to Rodriguez. To Magsayo. Ayan. Naghintay ng kalaban. Behind the back pass. Stolen by Estocado. Calma. To Hindoy. Lays it up for Barangay Bomba. Gutierrez. Now to Liagono. Inside. Magsayo. Fakes. Pinasa sa labas. Liagono. Fakes. Magsayo sa ilalim. And it's good from the baseline. Estocado. Heavy traffic. And it's good for Estocado. Gutierrez to Liagono. Balik kay Gutierrez. Outside feed. Magsayo. Nice fake. Drop pass. Rodriguez. Balik sa labas. Ball stolen by Hindoy. Pass break pass para kay Calma. Calma to number 22. Balik kay Calma. Balik kay 22. The give and go of Barangay Bomba. Yahoo! Manggubat Michelle. Gutierrez for 3. And no good. Calma, reverse layup, no good.
Number 6, first personal foul.
Ayun, back to our ball game, no? Rodriguez, no good. Ikariting siya, git. Pakitingin na lang po, no? Ildemar Julian, may live recording po tayo sa Facebook page. Baka pwede po ninyo matingnan na lang doon kasi po kakarating ko lang. I don't know who won and everything, you know. So, the game is uploaded in our official Facebook page and also in our YouTube channel. Pakitingin na lang ho. Maraming salamat. Ayun, Liagono. Pull-up jumper is good. Manggubat Michelle. Gallego to Hindoy. Fakes. Hesitation. Driving. Nabitawan ang bola. No good. Yeah, pakitingin na lang ho. It was uploaded po. No, it was kakarating ko lang. So, I didn't have time to browse everything. Shout out Vince Rodriguez. Hindoy as the shot clock expires. Yeah, shout out Vince Rodriguez of Barangay. Unsa ka nga barangay? Comment diha. Magsayo. Di ba kalusot? Nice feed para kay Rodriguez and is blocked by Padilla. Padilla with his second block of the afternoon. Hindoy, fast break, and it's good for Hindoy. Liagono to Liagono, outside, three-pointer, bang! First three-pointer of the game by Liagono of Barangay Kahayagan. Yes, Vince Rodriguez ng Bulawan. Grabe, no? Usaripildi, Bulawan. Grabe, kagahi. Hindoy, bumawi. No good. Estocado with a save. Gutierrez to Liagono. Corner three. Short. Estocado now with the rebound. Shout out kay Vince Rodriguez of Barangay Bulawan. Estocado, nice speed kay Hindoy. Ball intercepted by Liagono against Padilla. Liagono up and under. Walang nagawa ang depensa ni Padilla sa acrobatic shot ni Liagono. Gallego bounce pass to nothing. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Kahayagan. Shout out sa number 18. Isa may number 18 dere. Rep, di ko kita rep. Gutierrez nailing that layup for Barangay Kahayagan as they take a 1-point lead. Padilla, nice cut, lays it up, lagpas. Irog-irog with the rebound. Irog-irog ang Sakuragi ng Barangay Kahayagan. Anong Sakuragi? Grabe makani siya effort o hustle pag abot sa rebound, no? May yung effort. Third block of the afternoon by Padilla.
16 seconds. Number 12, Estocado, second personal foul. Second team foul. Ball foul.
Estocado with a rebound. Now, time winding down with 18 seconds. Estocado, acrobatic shot, in and out. And last touch. Shout out from Gubang, Robert Banyagoso. Irog-irog. Ay, pinasa pa. Kinsa gud nga number 18. Ay, manggubat. Ay. Nganli po na para dili patakuan kanang dili mabitin ba. Estocado bangs it in as the game clock expires for the first quarter. A buzzer beater 3-pointer for Estocado of Barangay Bomba. Ay, actually, Lander Evaristo, correct naman po ang scoring po sa Barangay Gubac. We have our score tally, no, sa table. They're in charge. So, yun. Wala siguro yung number 18. Dre, unsa man ang barangay na si number 18, be? Number 20, corner 3, and no good. Long pass. Lagpas. Bayos lost that ball from that pass. Torres. Pull-up jumper. And it's good from the mid-range by Torres. And we're tied at 17. One-hander shot by De La Cruz. Jump ball. And position arrow says the ball will be on Barangay Kahayagan. Outside pass para kay Torres. 4 seconds in the shot clock. Time winding down. At kinapos sa oras ang Barangay Kahayagan. Shot clock violation for Barangay Kahayagan. Agoy ang mata ni Alan. Agoy ang mata ni Alan. Wa na. Long pass para kay Torres. Transition offense for Torres, and it's good. And they tied at 19. Tabla na ho sa 19. Ayun, may foul. Kadagit pa yung foul si Torres. Big shout out to our 39,000 live viewers via Ascenso Sports Channel. Good afternoon. De La Cruz. One-hander again, no good. Gets his own rebound against double defender and is fouled by Magsayo.
Number 40, Magsayo, second personal foul. Second free foul.
And De La Cruz nailing his first throw. Shout out dia kang Saysay ug siyang Boylet. (21-19) with 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the second quarter as Torres steps back for 3. Wow, nailing from downtown by Torres. Gallego cross-court pass to number 20. Hesitation. Pinasa pa. Decision making in the air. Handugan. Over the head pass para kay Torres. No look pass. Balik kay Handugan sa ilalim. Balik kay Torres. To Irog-Irog. Handugan. Long two. In and out. Torres. Isa pang tres. Mintes. Nice steal by Handugan from behind by Gabule. Ayun, napatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Bomba. Because of that steal ni Handugan sa likod. Sneaky play for Handugan.
These timeouts will be won. City Barcelona. Marco Rivero Cero.
Back to our ball game. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Another steal for Kahayagan. This time by Torres. Lays it up and is blocked from behind, but foul called against Gabule. Yun, second mistake ni Gabule for this play. But a nice effort by Gabule making that foul. As Torres unable to make his first throw. Second throw. Entering the zone. Violation. Basket won't count. Ball goes to Barangay Bomba. Kusog-kusog rang tingog. Kusog rang tingog. Kusog ang tingog. Hindoy. Gabule. Corner three. And short. Bayos with the rebound and is fouled. Sa gitna. Hindoy, wow, legs. Di pa mo lantaw. Le. Hangad-hangad. Ay, smangil. Nagli-li ang uban. Diya ay. Hindoy, mamords. Bayos, his second throw. And no good. Magsayo ang taas ng talon. Kusog kaayo. Thank you, Manggubat. Michelle. Gabule to Hindoy. Traveling violation by Hindoy.
Traveling violation.
Hindoy, the Mamords. Kuyawag hanggang Hindoy, Mamords. Handugan. Block by Hindoy. Fast break pass, Hindoy the Mamords, and lays it up for Barangay Bomba by Hindoy the Mamords. Ferdinand Mamords Hindoy. Lay na kang gawin Mamords. Liagono to Irog-Irog inside Magsayo. Nice turnaround, reverse layup. What a play by Magsayo from under the baseline. Mamords now with the ball. Viral na po niyang angga ba? May Mamords. Kaning mga naglantaw dire ha. Timeout goal by Barangay Kahayagan. Ini mga galantaw og live dire. Sunod ani nanay mo comment ayon. Oy, shout out di ay ka Ferdinand Brian Mamords Hindoy. Ay mo na ba Mamords saya angga ron. 25-26, 1-point lead for Barangay Kahayagan with 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Watin panighimamat o niya ni si Hindoy ba? Handugan. Inside to Magsayo. Double team. Bounce pass. Handugan. Blocked by Bayos. And the ball goes to Barangay Bomba.
Foul number 6.
Lamiyaw ganggan ay Mamords. Yeah. Tawa ko na ho. Kung i-zoom lang na is camera, wa na. Go Baby Shark. Number 13 of Kahayagan. Kasi Baby Shark. Si Kuan. Rodriguez. Sige, gini Baby Shark. Kaya akong tawagan eh. Salamat Rihanna Amber. Rihanna Eliza Nicole Amber. Baby Shark na siya. Mamords to De La Cruz. One-hander na naman.
De La Cruz.
Yari. 27 to 26. 1 point lead for Barang. Baby Shark under the basket. And what a nice shot there by Baby Shark Gutierrez. Magpanila. Huy, Lani Herman. Kumusta? Number 18. Unsa nga barangay ni si number 18? Unsa ba ni si Michelle oy? Another one-hander for De La Cruz. 4 straight points for him. Si Baby Shark Gutierrez. O, tara, Baby Shark. Baby Shark Tuliagono. Mid-range shot. No good. De La Cruz with the rebound. Na Alperez running. Nakalusot. Sidestep. Can't get it to go. Good play ng no, kay Alperez. Liagono. Handugan. Good play there for Barangay Kahayagan. Liagono with an unselfish play. Baby Shark with a steal. Now to Liagono. Magsayo. Kuha na ng idol si Mamords. Magsayo all the way short. Rebounded by Alperez. Ay Gabule. Bounce pass para kay De La Cruz. And it's fouled. Kahayagan. Ba number 18 Dris Kahayagan. Saan number 18 Dris Kahayagan? Wala man.
Foul number 30. Gutierrez.
Ayun, foul si Baby Shark.
First personal foul. Penalty.
Cute na rin ang Gutierrez di ay, no? Rihanna Amber. Angelica Estocado. Go Bomba. Tingnan saan mo ni si Kuan? Estocado. Kuya ni mo ni? Liagono with the ball. Now to Baby Shark. To Liagono sa corner. Inside. Magsayo. Fakes. Drives. Bounce in. Ayun, may foul na tinawag. Manghod ni mo ni. Another si Carpenter yun nakaingon. Gano. Nakaila sila ni Baby Shark. Niño Cañete. Karena kasi Carpintero. Si kuha man ang Carpintero apelido ni Rihanna. Ingo mo siya. Go Baby Shark number 13 Kahayagan. Mamords. Naradre. Dol si Mamords Sindoy. Si Liagono. Torade ay nadre. Galingkot. Go De La Cruz by Mary Ann Libre Husay. Mamords with the ball. Mamords outside pass to Estocado for 3. Short. Mamords with a rebound. And a putback by Ferdinand Mamords Hindoy. Baby Shark attacking. No good. Padilla with the rebound. Now to Estocado. Estocado. Ball is lost from his hands.
Foul number 40.
And a foul called against Magsayo. Go Kahayagan by Lisa May Mundo. Estocado nailing the first throw. Si Mamords. Tora, nagpakita na pog leg si Mamords. Grabe nakahangad tong isa niya, oh. Hangad-hangad na Liagono to Baby Shark. Reverse layup, no good. Baby Shark with the rebound. Liagono to Liagono. Block by Estocado. Ayun, napahawak na lang siya kay Estocado. Imbis secret na tong Baby Shark. Wala na ilan. MVP. Oh, wow. Sala ng Rihanna. Oh, Rihanna to, Rian. Ikaw siya, Baby Shark daw. Wow, legs. Ano to? Angeli Borjo, shout out. And Liagono nailing the second throw for Barangay Kahayagan. We're tied at 33 with 40 seconds left in the third quarter. Ano sa number ni Mamords? Number 4, throw, gadalag bula. Mamords to Padilla. Turn around. Umararo and Padilla is fouled.
Number 4, Liagono, first personal foul.
Padilla entering the zone violation against 28 seconds left in the second quarter, tied at 33. Padilla on the line. Second throw. And another entering the zone. Sakuragi to Liagono to Baby Shark. Long three. In and out. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Ball will remain in Barangay Kahayagan with 20 seconds left.
Foul number 6, De La Cruz.
Foul called against De La Cruz. Baby Shark. Turn around. Floater, no good. Rebounded by Liagono. Fades away off the glass and it's good for Liagono. Mamords with the ball. 5 seconds left. Mamords. Nice feed inside to Alferez. Short. And that's the end of our first half. 33 to 35. Kahayagan up by 2. This first half, mga ka-Ascenso, is brought to us by City Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balileng Fernandez. Don't go away, we'll be right back. nagyagaan na siya mamords.
Ay, forever. Joke lang.
And back to our ball game, third quarter mga ka-Asenso. Kahayagan up by 2 against Barangay Bomba. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup, Game 3 of the Rural Division Games. Calma, open for 3 and no good. Tapik ka ng bola sa itaas. Estocado wins that rebound against Baby Shark. Estocado to Padilla sa gitna and it's good. Tied at 35. Baby Shark, nice feed inside. Balik kay Baby Shark sa labas to Torres for 3 and no good. Padilla, walang nagawa si Sakuragi sa height ni Padilla for that rebound. Estocado sa gitna. 37-35, 2-point lead for Barangay Bomba. Liagono fakes, fires, and short. Estocado to number 10, to Gallego. Inside to number 19, balik kay Gallego sa labas. Balik kay number 19, and no good for that jumper. Torres fakes, lays it up against Estocado, no good. Gallego, and his blocking foul against Sakura Girog.
Number 6, Eroqueo, 6 personal foul.
Gallego, second throw, short. Sakuragi with the rebound. Magsayo to Torres. Driving against Padilla, mismatch of the height. Liagono to Magsayo. Penetrating off the glass. Stolen by Baby Shark. Careless pass here for Padilla. Another steal for Baby Shark. Baby Shark against Padilla. Lays it up. 4 straight points for Baby Shark here. And 2 straight steals para sa kanya. Estocado, heavy traffic, no good for the left-hander. Sakuragi with the rebound. Now to Liagono, to Baby Shark. No look pass para kay Liagono. Good transition offense for Barangay Kahayagan. At napa-timeout ngayon ang Barangay Bomba with 6 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in the third quarter, 38-43. 38-43. 3-8, then 4-3. Good Baby Shark, Gutierrez. Impressive performance here from steal to score. 2 straight steals, 4 straight points. Mamords with the ball. Si Mamords. Ferdinand Mamords Hindoy. Kalma. Wide open for 3. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Tapi ka ng bola. Ball strip. And last touch. Bola para sa Barangay Kahayagan. Baby Shark against Mamords. Baby Sharks penetrating, nakalusot. Ball stripped from his hands by Mamords. Mamords Hindoy. Torres against Mamords. Cross-court pass para kay Liagono. To Baby Shark sa labas for 3. No good. Magsayo with the rebound sa ilalim. And there's a foul called against De La Cruz.
Bobber Steve. That was third personal foul.
And no good for his first throw. Isa pa. Still no good. Entering to zone. Substitution. De La Cruz will sit down and be replaced by Bayos. 38-43. Mamords. Pull-up jumper. Ay, hiwi. Mamords lagi, hiwi pod og. Hiwig tira ba? Baby Shark lost that handle. Sakuragi with a save. Baby Shark to Magsayo. Fakes, drives against Padilla. Another fake. Hook shot, no good. Rebounded by Mamords. Hinahabol ni Baby Shark sa likod. Ball stolen from behind. Good hustle defense by Baby Shark. Tinapon ang bola sa mga paan ni Kalma. Forcing Kalma to commit a turnover. Good effort here for Baby Shark. Sinsya yung kayo, Gutierrez ha, kay gilaglag yung ka sa comment dere. And now Sakuragi. Unable to catch that pass. Kalma. Kinaliwa ni Kalma ang layup. Torres. Fakes. Drives. Up and under. Wow! What a play by Torres. Against taller defender Bayos. Estocado, sa gitna, up and under. Yes, sir! Acrobatic shot by Estocado. Fast break pass to Torres. Binawian agad ni Torres. Now to Estocado. Behind the back. Penetrating. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Jump ball. Ball will go to Barangay Kahayagan. Baby Shark now. Gutierrez, kung makanungog ka ani inig-review mo sa dula ha, pasensya gyud gilaglag yung ka. Nice break by Sakuragi. Tuliagono. Mamords with the ball. Wow, late si Mamords oh. Bangga. Blocking foul. Go baby number 13. Kahayagan Tarunga Alzun Sabati Gutierrez. Actually, it was a clear blocking foul. Namagod sila sa kuan, sa paint bitaw. Estocado to Bayos. Nice fake. What a block by Baby Shark. Wow. Spectacular performance by Gutierrez from offense to defense. From hustle play to high-flying blocks. Taas-taas ramang yun ni si Bayos. Upsan yung Gutierrez yun. Isa pa! Isa pang butata ni Gutierrez against kay Bayos. What a defensive play by Gutierrez. Baby Shark. Torres. Ayun, natigilan. There, Lagono falls away, short. Torres with the rebound. Nice effort there by Torres. Ay, lumagpas. Baby Shark Gutierrez. Sakuragi to Magsayo. And is fouled. Grabing timing si Gutierrez. Ay, kaduhaan man yun. Gutierrez with a good timing for his block. Patiently waiting Bayos to make a fake. Anticipating that Bayos will go for his second attempt from that fake. Sinabayan ni Gutierrez. And wow, double clean block. Gutierrez, gamay-gamay ra ba yun siya compared kay Bayos. Mubo yun. And pass intercepted by Baby Shark Gutierrez. Floater is good. What a play by Gutierrez. Nawala ang live. Asa naman eh. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Mamords win that scuffle.
Foul number 7. Yagono. Second personal foul. Third big foul.
Oh, narade. Ako ada yung internet ang nawala. Kali na yung live. 46-50. Magsayo, ball strip from his hands by Bayos. Out of bounds, Barangay Bomba. Ball will remain in Barangay Kahayagan. Bounce pass. Torres, quick release. No good. Mamors with the rebound. Long pass para kay Calma. Ayun, Calma lays it up for Barangay Bomba. 2-point lead. Fast break pass para kay Magsayo against Bayos. And Magsayo nakadagit pag yun og foul. 2 putos na lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Kahayagan. 48-50 with 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining in the third quarter as Barangay Kahayagan takes their time out. Anong ilugan yun yung bula, no? Tagsan na lang kasi lag bula para dili mag-ilog. One minute and 21 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Kahayagan up by 2. Gatulo ang singot ni Magsayo. Iya katira yun. Magsayo first throw and it's good. Second throw. Mamords, long pass to Estocado. Crossover, nakalusot. Estocado sa gitna, ball strip and stolen. Bayos lost that ball. Hindoy with the recovery. Bayos sa gitna. Bouncing off the rim. No good. Di ko kita rip. Padaplin sa rip. Kadjot lang yun rip. Lagi. Turn around. Fakes. Block by Lagono. What a defensive play by Liagono against Mamords Hindoy. Huling-huli. Naka-fake. Pero nahuli pa rin. Good defensive play by Liagono there. Hindoy. Passing it to number 15. Turn around. No good. Bayos with the rebound. De La Cruz with a putback. Can't get it to go. Tapik ka ng bola sa itaas. Inagawa ni Baby Shark. Now Magsayo has the ball. Handugan now to Baby Shark against Mamords. Baby Shark lays it up and no good. And a follow by Handugan. And that's the end of our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 48-54. Kahayagan refuses to be caught by Barangay Bomba. Gallego now to Estocado. Double crossover. Tatlong bantay. Gallego to Gabule for 3. And no good. Magsayo with a rebound. Double team. Passing it. Careless pass. Ball stolen by Barangay Bomba. Fast break pass to Gabule. Falls away. No good. Isa pang rebound for Magsayo. Passing it to nobody. Gallego to De La Cruz. One-hander. Pasok yan by De La Cruz. Baby Shark nagmamadali. Ayun. Last touch by Baby Shark. Alferez with the ball to Gabule. Fearlessly attacking the basket. Ball goes to Barangay Kahayagan as the ball is stripped from his hands. Tumama sa kanyang mga paa. Ayun, long pass. Finally scoring Liagono from under that basket. Pa-shoutout naman po kay Angelo, server ng Manam Gateway, nanonood from Gaspar, mga Luscos. Yeah. Way off the mark from the three-pointer galing kay Gabule. Kahayagan up by 6. And his timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Sam Tairaco. Sakuragi, irog-irog. Magsayo. Good screen by Baby Shark. Magsayo nakalusot. Di lang pumasok ang tira. Estocado now with the rebound. Hustled by 3 white shirts. Estocado crossover. Ball stolen by Liagono. 1 against 3. Liagono to Sakuragi. And it's good. Mamords. Another steal by Sakuragi. Now to Baby Shark Gutierrez against De La Cruz. Gutierrez, nice speed para kay Liagono. Baseline, can't get it to go. Liagono gets his own rebound. Yun, traveling violation. Committed by Liagono. Ang tagal nakakita ng kasama. Gallego to Mamords Hindoy for 3. No good. Ball goes to Barangay Kahayagan. Torres will check in for Liagono. Small kuan sila ron, small ball line up sila karon ang Barangay Kahayagan. Ooh, ball strip from behind by Hindoy. Galing sa mga kamay ni Liagono. And foul call against Torres. Estocado, crossover, tumama sa paa. De La Cruz, another one-hander. Pasok yan by De La Cruz. Torres. Baby Shark against 3 defenders. Inagawa ng bola sa mga kamay. Now to Estocado. Heavy traffic. Estocado. Traveling violation by Estocado. Liagono, long pass. Ball intercepted. And there's a foul called against. Offensive foul called against Baby Shark Baby Shark Gutierrez. Baby Shark Hindoy to Calma. Intercepted. Gallego with the save. Stolen by Torres. Long pass para kay Liagono. Hangs in the air. No good. Calma with the rebound. Now to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Umatake. Yes, sir! Shout out Team Kahayagan. Oktubre magsayo. Shout out kay Arnel Amparado o kay Glenn Mark Humantok. Shout out daw sa Gigan USA. Unahan sa amo. Back to our ball game with 6 minutes and 12 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 4-point lead for Barangay Kahayagan. Yeah. Reverse layup by Baby Shark Magsayo, no good. Baby Shark Magsayo, Baby Shark Gutierrez. Gallego to Mamords Hindoy. Panilap good sa Isaygod. Calma, one-hander, and it's good. Shout out to sa Magsayo fam from October Magsayo. Sakuragi, umatake, no good. Hadugan with the rebound. To Magsayo, resetting the play. Ball stripped by Hindoy. Baby Shark, aba, tumagilid for that jump shot. Handugan to Magsayo sa gitna. Shout out to sa yung idol, number 18, Liagono, watching from Saudi by China Marie. Go, go, go Kahayagan, watching from Kuwait. Shout out sa akong brother Magsayo family. Oktubre 7 Magsayo. Back to our ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Gallego now to Hindoy. Pull-up jumper. Pasok ang pull-up jumper ni Hindoy. Magsayo to Handugan. Now to Liagono. Balik kay Handugan. To Sakuragi sa ilalim. And Sakuragi is fouled. Good luck later, guys. Go team Tiguma from Eds Ramones. Ay, doon na Tiguma o niya. Tiguma o niya. Sa oras. Versus Napulan. Okay, okay. Irog. Second throw. Entering to zone violation. Gallego against Baby Shark Gutierrez. Now to Mamards Hindoy. Balik kay Estocado. Behind the back. Wow! Bang! Estocado! Spectacular performance by Estocado, bringing Handugan from his knees. What an ankle breaker there for Estocado. Bagsak si Handugan. Estocado, isa pa. Traveling violation. What a play by Estocado. Ankle breaker na naman. Agoy, another mixtape na po ni. Magsayo, ball strip from behind by Hindoy. Liagono, scoop shot, no good. Hindoy is fouled by Sakuragi. Grabe, ang sarap tingnan sa replay. Estocado, clean crossover, ankle breakers, bringing Handugan from his knees down to the floor. Steps back for 3 and nails it. Estocado, isa pang 3. No good this time. Liagono with a rebound. Now to Torres. Torres to Magsayo. Balik kay Torres. The give and go by Barangay Kahayagan. Kahayagan now up by 2. Calma, fakes to Gallego, fake na naman, De La Cruz, pasok na naman ang one-hander ni De La Cruz. Ay, shout out kay George Banyahera Amis, og sayang uyab nga si Rosemary. Fade away by Gutierrez against taller defender Hindoy. Estocado, ball straight from his hands. Pero bola ay mananatili pa rin sa Barangay Bomba. Oh, shout out George Amis. Ug sayang uyab nga si Rosemary Flores. De La Cruz, isa pang one-hander, no good. Torres now with the rebound. Pass break pass to Baby Shark Gutierrez as they lead by 4 points. With 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining, Gallego. Another steal for Barangay Kahayagan. Sakuragi to Torres. Double dribble by Torres. Ako sa'yo ito yung ngalan, George? Both teams, no timeout left for both teams.
Both teams, no timeout.
2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining, 63-67. Bomba trailing by 4 points. Bomba now to Gallego. Bomba to Gallego. Gallego has the ball. Bounce pass para kay Padilla. Ball will go to Barangay Kahayagan. George. Palaila lagi itag lagi na mo kayab lagi George para ma-shout out ako apil. Para dili mo para lahi nga para sakto nangangalan ako ma-mention. Baby Shark Gutierrez Tuliagono, nice cut by Torres sa gitna. 6 straight points for Barangay Kahayagan. Padilla. And yes sir. Kahayagan up by 4. Magsayo Tuliagono. Now to Baby Shark. To Torres for 3. Bang! Torres nailing a dagger 3-pointer from the wing side of the court. Isa pang spectacular performance here kay Torres para sa opensa ng Barangay Kahayagan. Wow, what a good team effort here for Kahayagan, no? Between Gutierrez and Torres. Estocado steps back for 3 and no good. Arlo Calunod shout out. Liagono now. To Sakuragi, nice look para kay Torres at lumabas pa ang bola. Ball stolen from the hands of Estocado. Good hustle defense by Sakuragi. Bounce pass para kay Gutierrez. And yes sir! Wow, the 1-2 punch between Torres and Gutierrez. Torres isa pa. Liagono is there to save the ball. As the time is down. Wow, 8-0 run. Ay no, 7-0 run for Barangay Kahayagan. Wow. De La Cruz, ball strip from his hands ulit. Sakuragi now has the ball. Pass break pass. Aba, Gutierrez sinintay ang kalaban. Ayun. Alam na nila. Alam na ng Barangay Bomba ang kahihinatnan ngayon. Alam nilang hindi na sila makakahabol. Baby Shark gusto pang umisa. Congratulations to Barangay Kahayagan for winning this ball game 65-78. Spectacular performance for Kahayagan. This has been your commentator. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Baby Shark! Gaya kay Baby Shark, oh! Gilaglag yung ka ba, Baby Shark?
ka-Asenso hapon mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sabi ko Asenso Barangay Cup. O karon nahuman na gid atong ika-third game which was played by Barangay Bomba versus Barangay Kahayagan, and the winner Barangay Kahayagan. O karon mga ka-Asenso ato ang kauban ug atong pangutanon ang ilahang playing coach nga usapod ka maayo ka player kung unsa man niyang maistorya sa first ever Asenso Barangay Cup ni Mayor Samiko o kinsa man niyang pasalamatan niini. But before that, may hapon kanimo sir o congratulations sa Kahayagan, no?
Una-una, pasalamat ko sa Ginoo nga gihatag ning opportunity. Ikaduha, pasalamat ko ni Mayor Samiko nga yan ang gibuhat ning Mayor's Cup, Barangay Mayor's Cup, and shoutout ko sa pasalamaton ko pud ko sa among player na nindula gid sila, no? Bisan nagkagamay tod mi. Isa pod wala among coach karon kaya ako ang ning halilisan niya isip playing coach. Salamat po guys sa mga Kahayagan nga misuporta gid sa moa, no? Nintanaw sila sa mga live na mo nga dula. At kato po wala ka tanaw sa live pero perminti gid na pangutana sa moa kung nadaog ba mo dula o pili ba. So daghang salamat po sa Barangay Kahayagan o sa mga player nako o sa mga taga Barangay Kahayagan tanan.
So wow, congratulations sir, no? Og sa tibok team Kahayagan. Mga ka-Asenso, relax lang mo kay mabalik na tiyot-tiyot sa ato yung fourth game, Urban Division game, which will be played by Barangay Dao versus Barangay San Francisco. Mga ka-Asenso, stay tuned lang yun mo kay mabalik na tiyot-tiyot. I'm Ivy Marcial Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso, pagadian.